Hi, friends!
Terra Nova is a charming little town located southwest of Glovertown. It's a place with a rich history. Back in the 1950s, the town was served by the Canadian National Railway, which brought a lot of life and activity to the area. The name, Terra Nova, comes from the Latin name for Newfoundland. It's linked to the original Portuguese name for the region, giving it a unique and interesting heritage. To get here, you'll travel about 1 hour west from Port Blandford. Take Route 301 and drive for approximately half an hour on the Trans-Canada Highway. You'll enter Terra Nova National Park, and soon after, take a left turn onto an unpaved road that leads to the town. Keep going down this road until you reach the quiet, charming town of Terra Nova. One of the best ways to enjoy your day here is to visit the sandy beach.
Thank you very much.
Look for Pond Road, or just ask a friendly local for directions. This freshwater pond has a very sheltered sandy beach where kids can swim out to a wharf and use the community diving board. Thank you for joining us on this tour of Terra Nova Town.